Alright, welcome to Mitch's Adventures. Are you ready for day 2? No? Well then we'll go home. We won't even get to the cars and we'll go home. We are here in Ontario. You can see crows flying by and there's a fire over here. Probably someone cooking something on a barbecue. And the helicopter. The OPD, they're out and flying around. Oh, I need an umbrella. It's hot today. Want to go look at a 59 Chevy? Make it look like Mad Max. And the motorcycle gang beat up the guy and the girl in the 59 Chevy. Of course, the steering would be on the wrong side because the car is from Australia. Just like in the movie Mad Max.
Hi there.
Hello. Can't video kids. Not on YouTube. Alright. Are you going to sit here in the shade? All day? Alright. You see that car there? It's like from the movie Mad Max.
Dude, my fans too were coming.
It's not pretty warm. It's really warm today. Should have wore a wet towel on my head. Doctor's orders, you know. Alright, well I'm going to head out. Because Santa Claus is ready to video. Nice shirt.
Oh, thank you.
Yep. Coming? Alright, so this is where we left off last night. We didn't get very far because I did a lot of talking. Today is not so much talking. Here's a 57 black Thunderbird. Looking at the back side of it here. Want to see the side of it? Yeah. You guys can read that. It's got the big air cleaner on it. So I don't know if it's a 312 or not. Are you having fun playing on the internet?
Well, if I go away from you.
Well, I was kind of hoping you'd hand out cards. Just to a couple of people, if I talk to them. Coffee. Ooh, can you get a refill? Oh no, you can't. You didn't go to Starbucks. So you see, he's got the wire wheels like my dad had on his Thunderbird. You guys want to see the interior? Yep, it's got that same interior.
Yeah.
Hello. Good, and you? Big 454. There you go. There's Lincoln, and one of my favorites, the Rally Sport. People walking around here. care that we're live on YouTube. Find my wife. Oh, there you are. Okay. This is the one I want. See the closing headlights? It's the RS Camaro.
I like it.
You? You like the blue. Here comes the SS. The guy was trying to start it up.
You let me pass by. He's like, "Okay."
So I'm just gonna catch a glimpse of all these cars and trucks and high riders and low riders. That one reminds me of Inspector Gadget. I like this color truck. Oh, he's taking a picture. Ah, a Buick. I wonder if it's a GS like mine. It's 63. I had two GSs. Actually, I had a Skylark.
Another car coming?
Huh? Yeah, ask him. Is this a GS? Huh? Is a Buick GS? I had a 68 GS.
Electro.
Oh, it's an Electra. Oh, it's still a nice car. It's a nice Buick. Yep, thank you. I'll be on Mitch's Adventures on YouTube. Uh-huh. All right, there. Electra. Look at the paint on that one. Chevy S10 like your dad's. You want to get a picture of me in front of the Mustang? We'll make it a Mustang.